Now, once that gargantuan file has finished downloading, you should see this on your computer, Xcode 10 beta.xip. Now, I put mine on the desktop. You might see yours in the downloads or wherever it is that you decided to put yours. But once that's there, go ahead and double click on this. It's going to spend some time extracting and getting the app ready to use. Now, this is a really long process, so I'm not going to sit in front of you and watch this thing get itself ready to go. Here, expanding Xcode 10 beta.xip. But once it's all finished, you're going to have the Xcode-beta.app on your computer. This is the application we use to make iPhone apps. So I don't recommend leaving this in your downloads or on your desktop. You technically could. I like to put it in my applications folder. So if you go ahead and open up Finder, move forward into your applications, just go ahead and drag and drop Xcode beta right into there. And you can see I already have it. So this is now just a copy of that. But then it's inside of your applications and you can get to this Xcode beta any way that you like. You can go ahead and just double click it here in the applications. If you hit your launch pad, you can open it there. If you do the command spacebar to open up Spotlight, you can do that too. Completely up to you. But wherever it is, go ahead and double click on it. And once you've gone through all the initial setups and everything, you should see an opening screen like this. Again, might have to wait some time. That very first time it comes through, might ask to install additional tools, ask for the account that you're currently logged into with your Mac. But once it's finished and you see this screen, it means you're ready. And that means it's time to start day one of this boot camp. Let's dive into it.